children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video we are going to download the ScratchJr app to our tablet. Then we're going to create our first program using the say block, where we're going to make our character create a speech bubble and say something. So the first thing we need to do is download the ScratchJr app to our device. So we go into the App Store, search for ScratchJr. And there it is, and then all you need to do is click download. I've already got it downloaded, that's why it says open. Once you've downloaded the app onto your device, it will appear. All you need to then do is click on it and you'll get to the first screen. There's a home button and a question mark button, and also a settings function. If you press the question mark, it gives you a video there that explains a little bit more about the app that you're free to have a look at. And there is also a settings button there on the top right hand corner. But let's go back to the home screen. All you need to do is press the house, and then you're in your initial screen for starting your projects. If you press on the plus button on the left hand side, that will create a new project for you, and this is the initial screen that you see. For our first video, we're going to be using the bedroom background. So we need to select that. So you go to the top button there, click on it, which gives us options on the different backgrounds that we need. I'm then going to select the bedroom background and then press the tick button, and there we go. We can see that we've got the kitten in the bedroom background now. Okay, so then we need to actually build the program. So we're programming the kitten to say yawn. So we're going to be using the speech block. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go to the yellow section and pull down the green flag block, which starts our programs off. I'm then going to go to the purple section and select the say block. I'm then going to go to the red section and select the stop block. There we go. Now, what I now need to do is click onto here, and allows me to edit what the speech bubble will say. And I'm going to delete that, and I'm then going to say yawn in capital letters, and then press enter to finish. So now we've programmed the say block to say yawn when we start the program, and we start the program and run it by pressing the green flag. And there we go. Now, if we want to see that in full screen, we press the full screen button and then the flag again, and there we go. And it stops. If we want to see it again, we press the green flag and it appears. I'm going to go back to the editing screen and make it smaller, the actual window that we're looking at. We just press that button. And there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.